Happy Catholic Schools Week and happy Friday. Let's get into our last teacher shout out for the 2021 Catholic Schools Week. Our last teacher being shout out is Alyssa Vasquez. Alyssa Vasquez is from Nativity Prep and she was nominated by Sarah Odioso. Alyssa Vasquez has been working tirelessly to make sure that our weekly Mass still has the personal, community feel while also transitioning to a new priest, dealing with virtual and in person Mass options, and keeping up to date with all the required COVID safety measures. Throughout all of these ever changing circumstances, Alyssa has maintained the loving and community based Mass services that Nativity Prep has come to know and love. We want to thank Alyssa and all of our teachers who work in liturgy for our students. I know that it's one of the great joys of being a Catholic school is bringing liturgy to our students. So thank you to Alyssa and thank you to everyone who's bringing Jesus to our students on a daily basis. Thank you to every one of our teachers who are out there, and we really appreciate everyone. And we wanted to give one big thank you to everyone. Have a great end to your Catholic Schools Week, and please know that you are appreciated. And congratulations, Alyssa.